What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare hacks, skincare product reviews, how to grow longer hair, specifically 4C hair, protective styles for 4C hair, what I put in my hair for hair growth, and just how to glow the heck up in general, alright? And of course, last but not least, Kojic acid soap and how to properly use it for your skin. Now let's get into it. Shout out to Dimples on BIGOLIVE. First of all, y'all go follow her on there. Hilarious. She's been on there for a minute. Very, very, very helpful. So y'all go follow her. But she put me on. She put me on to something that I have found is quite amazing. And ladies, some of us, actually, this is a problem that many women deal with. A lot of women don't want to talk about it. A lot of women don't want to talk about it. A lot of women think that it's something wrong with them when sometimes it's not. Oftentimes it is not. But what you can do, this potion right here, this concoction right here, will have you out here. And this is not going to be a long video. I'm going to come back, show you further what to do, how to take it and whatnot. But I just had to put you on to game. Now Dimple said to me, what you want to do is add some apple cider vinegar, some cranberry juice, which I honestly was already aware of these things, but I'm glad that she told me. I was like, you know what, that needs to be a staple. But what I found, y'all, upon doing some research and whatnot, and then saying let me delve into it myself and just see what's going on. If you don't know, green leafy vegetables are very good for your lady parts. Very, very good. I mean, fruits and vegetables. What you don't want to consume a lot of is sugar, because sugar will have you out here olding up really quickly, looking way beyond your years, and it's also not good for your situation. It's not good for the situation. So, some cranberries fresh or some unsweetened cranberry juice, apple cider vinegar, celery juice, and 30 drops of maca. Listen to me. It will have you I'm trying to put this in a term that is going to be okay and not get anybody. Listen, we got to be set. It will have you out here not feeling dry at all. It will have your pH situated. And it will have your boo saying, oh, what's going on here? Not looking elsewhere. Okay? Now, is that a guarantee? Listen, some of y'all with some people that's going to look, you don't need to be with those men with them. And you know that regardless of what you do, they out here in these streets. But I'm not talking about those men. And even then, he's still going to know that you got that good though. He's still going to know that you got that good. Listen to me. Cranberry juice, apple cider vinegar, celery juice, and your maca, those 4 ingredients, you gonna have that Megan and Cardi on deck situated. Don't go chasing. You won't have to chase nothing. People gonna be chasing you. Do you catch my drift? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Okay? Not only that, you'll feel better mentally, physically, allegedly. It's gonna have you out here. Apparently it's working wonders. I myself think it's amazing. Just wanted to let you all know that it is not a game. It's not a game. Quite honestly, if you even take, you probably have heard, a little bit of apple cider vinegar by itself. People take that in the morning. Some people take it at night. just to detox and feel good, but they say it's best to do that in the morning on an empty stomach, and that really cleanses. But I'm trying to tell you, the combo though is gonna have you out here. Had to put you on, had to let you know. Have you tried it? Some of y'all already know about this, because as you know, for urinary tract health, UTIs and whatnot, to prevent them from happening over and over again, because some people get recurring BV, UTIs, all of those, yeast infections. Keep cranberries on deck. Maca not only will have you out here staying juicy, again, it helps with fertility, with mood, memory, libido. If you have lost the desire to do some things, highly suggest you do it. Thank you all for tuning in. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on the socials, hit that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla. Oh, un momento, I must say this though. I don't need you to go and be drinking gallons of this concoction. Too much of anything is not a good thing. Well, okay, too much of most things is not a good thing. Do not be out here chugging gallons of this, okay? And again, see how your body reacts to it. Take breaks. Water, 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 and more water. Hydrate yourself. But green leafy vegetables, also very good for the lady parts. If you want me to do more of these videos, I will put you on. Because I don't know, a lot of women, again, don't want to talk about, sometimes they just don't, they're not in the mood, not feeling, you can't even get situated. He out there trying to do his thing, wondering what's going on, and you just ain't in the mood. I'm trying to tell you, this right here, I would say do about equal parts, 4 tablespoons of each, but with the apple cider vinegar, I would say 1 tablespoon, because it is strong and it's gonna have you situated. Okay, again, drink this, I would say in the morning. Try a few times a week. See if you see a difference in how you feel. You don't need to do it 7 days a week. No. See how it helps you. But ladies, again, I will be back with more, because there's more to this. There's more to this, and there's a lot that you can do in addition to taking this or drinking this. There are supplements that you can take in addition to Maca and the ones I've mentioned. Other things that you can do and take. So don't be discouraged, and you better get out there and listen. Let them know. But for yourself, cleanse. Be cleansed. Alright, so I'm done. I'm not gonna ramble. It's not, like I said, it's not gonna be a super long video. But please hit that bell for notifications, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll holla. And follow me on all the socials. Like I said, follow Dimples on BIGOLIVE. She's funny as heck, and she cool. And her friend Scorpio Bay. Follow them on BIGOLIVE, alright? Holla!